Electronic health records promise to streamline patient care, but implementing them can be a major headache. Studies show that workflow disruptions during EHR rollouts can slow clinical teams, inflate budgets, and create compliance risks. Matt Murrin, CEO of True North ITG, says, "Successful EHR integration requires careful planning and attention to both technology and clinician workflow to avoid costly setbacks. One of the biggest challenges is integrating third-party devices and software. Misaligned systems can distort patient data and force staff to spend hours reconciling errors. Even with standardized APIs like HL7 Fire, interoperability between vendors is far from guaranteed. Slow load times, system crashes, and inconsistent data formats can derail care and frustrate clinicians. Workflow disruption is another pain point. Poorly designed interfaces and insufficient training can increase documentation time, raise burnout risk, and reduce efficiency. Security adds yet another layer of complexity. HIPAA compliance, encryption, and audit trails are essential to protect patient data. Finally, infrastructure matters. Without a reliable network and scalable servers, even the best EHR system will struggle to perform. Mitigation starts with structured planning, auditing workflows, vetting vendors, running pilot tests, training teams continuously, and monitoring performance. Emerging trends like AI-driven data management, cloud-based EHRs, and improved interoperability tools are helping clinics overcome these barriers faster. Tracking metrics like data accuracy, system uptime, and clinician satisfaction ensures problems are spotted early. For a deeper dive into each of these challenges and practical solutions to overcome them, you can read the full article on our website and add this to your playlist.